Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 8 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for iOS user guide series. In this video, we finish exploring the settings menu in Sub Rosa, particularly the advanced settings. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in the series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. The Advanced Setting menu is located in the App Toolbar. It can be accessed by tapping the Settings icon, which looks like a steering wheel, and then scrolling down to the Advanced Settings submenu. The Advanced section of our Settings menu allows you to change additional settings within the app, as well as enabling and sending diagnostic data to Thursby support. The User Agent option allows Sub Rosa to change the user agent it sends to websites. Changing the user agent allows our browser to emulate other web browsers and bypass some browser restrictions. If you're having issues accessing a site, changing the user agent will occasionally allow access. For most sites you visit, we will handle this automatically. Contact Support will open your email and allow you to send an email to Thursby support. Diagnostics allows you to start and send diagnostic log files to Thursby support. Before sending a log, be sure to contact our support team and open a call. They will provide detailed instructions if a log is needed. Fips 140 TAC2 mode forces Fips 140 TAC2 level of encryption when connecting to web servers. Sub Rosa will fail to connect if the server does not meet this specification. This is turned on by default, as most of the sites you connect to should meet these standards. Zero Data at Rest configures Sub Rosa to not store any information on the device. This is turned off by default. Turning it on will disable your ability to store or open documents in third-party applications, ensuring that no data is stored on the device. Enable CAC Dual Persona enables or disables the PIV certificate on CACs from being displayed. This is turned off by default. If you have a dual persona card, you will want to make sure you enable this setting. Most users will find that they never need to change any of the settings inside Sub Rosa. If you do think that you need to change a setting, feel free to reach out to our support team first. They will be happy to quickly confirm if that is necessary. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we will start discussing the enhanced OWA mail client and the various options available there. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.